Hi, and welcome to Axiom Print. If you came across this video, then at some point or another you have considered advertising your business on a car wrap. I'm Arsina, and in the next 2 minutes we are going to demonstrate the benefits of having your car wrapped, the process of design and print, and lastly, how to install. Car wraps are one of the most important advertising tools that bring attention to your business, especially in your community. Here are the 5 benefits of a car wrap: eye-catching ads, consumer-friendly advertising, additional purpose to your already owned business vehicle, direct reach in your local community, and they are cost-effective. It may last 5 years, and with great care, it may even last longer. To begin, you can send your own design, or our visual experts team will work with you from start to finish. We will help you come up with creative ideas, and before we print, you will have the opportunity to revise the design until you are 100% satisfied with it. After the design is complete and approved by you, we will print it within 2 to 3 business days, laminate it for extra protection, and begin installing. Let me show you how the process works. First, have your car washed professionally on the day of the installation. We will also do our own cleaning to remove any debris or unnoticed particles that can get underneath the vinyl. The main tools required for the installation are felt edge squeegee, cutter, heat gun, surface cleaner, assembly magnets, lint-free cleaning cloth, and other basic tools necessary to dismantle some of the vehicle parts. Now that the car is clean and we have the tools needed, let's begin to install. Before mounting the vinyl to the car, we adjust the vinyl to the vehicle with assembly magnets to see that each part fits perfectly. Once the vinyl is fixed, we use a squeegee to adhere the vinyl to the vehicle and remove bubbles. A utility knife is then used to cut the edges of excess material. We repeat this process until the wrap is complete. Trust the experts at Axiom Print with your commercial vehicle wrap. Reach thousands of people and organically grow your brand recognition. If you still have questions, visit our website, email us, or simply call us, and one of our trained professionals will help you. Until next time.